Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel Sairas Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. As you can see, we are in my sewing room today. I have bring another sewing project. As you know, it's a summer here, and if you have a lose weight in this summer, you definitely have to check out this project. Today we are going to reduce the size of waistband. We are going to do this project professionally. We have taken in this project from sides, and you can see the waistband belt is its original shape. I have already teach bunch of different videos how to take in from waistband pants, different kind of materials, different kind of pants. So each project is different, so whatever work for you, I'm just hoping these videos going to help you. Before heading to our today's sewing project, if you're new to Sairas Creations, just go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna learn here sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. If you already a regular subscriber, I'm sure you already enjoying all those wonderful projects over here. So let's go ahead and start it. So here's our today project. We have need at least 1.5 inch from both sides taking in from waistband. My client was thinking she can have 2 pleats at front, but I had gave her other options too. First, we can also, as normally we take from back, okay, if we have to take in. But with this pant, we are going to simply, since our pockets have 1 full inch extra, and we have need to take in 1.5 inch from sides, so that will be easy. We still will be able to take in 1.5 inch from both sides, and that will make our project more professional. For that, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to open up at least 2 inches this band we have. In that way, once we have taken, then we can flip band back and make our project more neat and clean finishing up. So let's go ahead and start it. So here's, I just save our time and have open from both sides with the seam ripper. Just go ahead and open both sides. I could, if I was in a rush, I could easily sew just on a top of this, but this not gonna make our project professional. It's gonna bring a bulkiness. So what I have did, I have opened it, okay, and simply now we are going to take in 1.5 inch from the waistband, and then I'm bringing on an angle stitch to join with our previous stitches. If you want to expand your waistband elastic, I have already teach those videos on my channel professionally, and those videos are very helpful. If you have a tight waistband, you can easily open them too. I will put in a link in the description box on the top of my video as well, so you simply can just click on there and check them out as well. So just pin up now how much fitting you need on your waistband, and then we are heading to our sewing machine. I just have a mark and also added the pins for stitching. I had needed 1.5 inch, so I simply just have a fold my measuring tape. Now that's how much we have taken in on both sides. This from front and this half on the back. Just to shading this, I'm just sharing this tip for beginners because sometimes it's get confused how much should take, okay? So if you need a 1.5 inch, you shouldn't do the full 1.5 inch here. You have to divide it because simply you're gonna have a half on the back and half on the front to take in, okay? Now let's start sewing. Love the sinner. A loving heart attitude is at the core of caring for others. When a friend sins, it's okay to hate her sin. In fact, that's a biblical principle, but we are to continue to love the sinner unconditionally. See that how nicely we have taken? And now simply you're just gonna keep this on a side inside. All the bulkiness should be inside. And I'm not cutting because if my client need to remove those previous stitches, to expand the band, she can do that. So that's going to help her out. Simply now we will be stitching on top and other bottom, attaching with the previous stitches, and our project will be done. I'm going to finish on other side and then we will be finishing on top stitch. We are not to rejoice in other person's suffering or downfall, being glad that she got what was coming to her. Jesus said in Matthew 12:34, out of the abundance of the heart the mouth speaks. Here's a little checkup you wouldn't find in your doctor's office, but it could go a long way in keeping you spiritually healthy. And how nicely we have taken 1.5 inch on one side. I'm going to do same exactly on other side too, and our project will be complete nicely. And check this out, we have taken total 3 inches, 1.5 inch each side, and if I show you, it looks so professional, neat, and you even barely can tell we have a take in. If we had to made it pleated, that was a clear sign that we are reducing the size. But with taking in from sides, because we had extra fabric on a side, so we were able to take in. But if our pockets was on an edge, that could be a little harder. You could do from side of back, okay? But I hope you get inspired by our today project. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing project. And as you can see, we have got done our project very professionally. We have taken leverage from extra pocket side and taking in professionally rather than taking in from back. If you also want to learn how to expand your waistband, elastic waistband, that video is very famous on my channel and viewed by thousands of people. Just go ahead and check that out, that as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you really get inspired by our today's sewing project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have always abundant life. Bye-bye.